Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you how many liters of oil a Honda Element needs. First of all, if you have a Honda Element from the years 2003 to 2011, equipped with the 2.4-liter four-cylinder K24A engine, the oil capacity without changing the filter is approximately 4.2 quarts, which is equivalent to 4.0 liters of oil. Now, if you do the oil change along with replacing the filter, the capacity increases slightly to 4.4 quarts, which is approximately 4.2 liters. Every single Honda Element manufactured from the model year 2003 all the way through 2011 utilizes the exact same reliable 2.4-liter K24 inline-4 engine. Because of this consistency, the total oil capacity for these vehicles stays pretty much exactly the same throughout every single one of those many years of production. In short, if you have a Honda Element from 2003 to 2011, you'll need about 4.0 liters of oil without changing the filter, or 4.2 liters of oil if you change the filter. Always remember this important step. Checking the oil level carefully with the dipstick right after the change is finished can make absolutely sure the level is exactly correct for your specific vehicle. And this simple habit will help you avoid a costly engine breakdown in the future. See you soon.